can see doesn't look great. There are two clips here and here that you don't have to worry about. You can just, what we're going to do is we're going to wiggle this off and just wiggle it to the right. You see it kind of comes down like that, and then to the left, and really you don't even do that. What that's going to expose is that compartment there, which is what we want. I'm going to show you that here in a second. This just really sits on, there's two little hooks on the back side of the glove compartment. So when you're putting this back on, you're just going to set this on one or both. Mine just happened to come off on the other one. And there are two little clips here and here. You can squeeze those off, but basically you're going to pop that open, and that is where your air filter sits. You're just going to squeeze and pinch. They will come off. You can do it with your hand. And then there is your air filter right here. I can take that out, and you can see it doesn't look great. We're going to take this out, replace it with the new one. Of this one, it's JMO 40 cabin air filter. This is for a Subaru Ascent. As you're putting that in, you'll want to make sure you pay attention to where the airflow indicators are going, and you're just going to put that in. You slide that back in. The cover is going to snap back on. That's going to go back to that. Slide that on. That takes 5 minutes at most.